Welcome. In this video I will show you how to split screen in Windows. So in order to use the split screen feature on your Windows, you're gonna have to open at least 2 different windows at once. For me, those will be the File Explorer and the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, in order to use the split screen feature, you have to grab the top bar of one of these windows and drag it to the top of your screen, and then select one of the available positions you can see on this bar. As you can see, we can place up to 4 different windows on the screen at the same time. But right now, I'm gonna put my File Explorer into the right side of this screen and the Bing browser into the left side. Right now, you can use both applications at the same time. And if you want to change the size of one of the applications, just move the bar between them and resize the applications. And basically that's how you use split screen feature on Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.